Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we'll be unboxing the Aeroclassics PIA Super Constellation in 1 to 200 scale. Let's get into it.
की पहली उड़ान PIA के जहाज में मेरे वतन की यादों में रहता हूँ। दिल की पहली उड़ान आसमां की बुलंदियों में मैं पाकिस्तान का झंडा मेरे दिल में रहता है।
So this aircraft was released a couple years back with a price range of around $86.95 Canadian. So as the box, you can see just a very plain red and white color with just some designs on the front. It is a 1 to 200 scale as well. Nothing unique on the sides either, just a very plain box. But if you look at the underbody, the side box here, we have our PIA logo, just a simple design looking like the aircraft with the stripe, our logo, registration and tail, but other than that, not very much of an attraction on the box. So let's open it up and let's see inside. Nice open packaging as well. We can already see the detail. We have lots of foam protection inside the box as well, which is very good. And here it is, our beautiful PIA Super Constellation. Definitely very detailed. So here we have it, very detailed, very unique model made by Aeroclassics. So we'll start out with the nose. We can see we have a black nose with a dark green cheek line going in throughout the body to the back. We have our Pakistan International name with our registration and Urdu name at the back. We have our PIA logo with our Pakistan flag as well. Our antennas are also very detailed. We have one big one at the front and then nothing else in the back. Our detailed nose gear as well, and then our main gears with all propellers rotating. We have our registration, Alpha Papa, Alpha Juliet Zulu, and then same on the top right wing. And then we can also see a bit of glare design on the leading edge of the wing, moving into the back of the propellers as well. We have our door here, our front and back door. And then same thing on the right hand side. Very unique language on the right hand side. So I know some of you may know this language. Let me know in the comments on what this language is and what is written, because that's one of the unique findings of this model, if you guys can tell. So on the other side we have our Urdu writing, and then on our other side another writing. But let me know in the comments what you guys think it is and what language it is. So similar, we have our registration on the back, our cargo doors in the back, our Pakistan International name with our detailed windows as well, our tail detail, and then just another door, and then our detailed nose gear. So some interesting facts about this aircraft: our registration Alpha Papa Alpha Juliet Zulu. It was delivered to PIA, and it was built in 1958. It was delivered to PIA on March 3rd of 1958, and then in 1973 it was scrapped, sadly. The aircraft was then gifted in Indonesia in 1969, and with the registration removed, it was delivered to the Indonesian Air Force during that time in 1969. So it was delivered to PIA, but then later on it was part of the Indonesian Air Force, which was then later scrapped. So definitely a unique aircraft in PIA's fleet. Super Constellation was no doubt one of the aircrafts during that time, which was very well known by most carriers around the world. So very reliable, very great aircraft. Obviously, if I'm not wrong, there's only one flying in the world to this date. But hopefully one day, I get a chance to check this aircraft out up close. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick review of this amazing PIA Super Constellation in 1:200 scale. No doubt a very unique piece in my collection. Very glad to have this. I also have the 1:400 scale as well, so later on I will be showing a review on that. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thanks a lot guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.